Welcome to Communication and Collaboration. In this class, you'll learn the importance of communicating securely. Emailing is one way to communicate from one mailbox to another. There are different types of email addresses. We have Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, iCloud, and many more. Please note that some organizations have specified email addresses. For example, the Getbundi Education Technology email address is info@getbundi.com. For the course of this video, we will be discussing how to create a Gmail account. 1. Go to the Google account. 2. Click Create an account. 3. Enter your name. 4. In the username field, enter a username. 5. Enter and confirm your password. 6. Add and verify a phone number for your account. It's that easy. To use WhatsApp to communicate securely, you need to first download the app for iOS or for Android, and then you create an account. After downloading the app, you will notice you need your phone number to create your account. Unlike some other platforms, WhatsApp doesn't use special usernames. Instead, WhatsApp identifies people by their numbers. This means anyone who uses WhatsApp is automatically added to your contact list, which makes setup easy, nice, and smooth. Once you're up and running, you'll want to get familiar with what you can do with WhatsApp, from making international calls to sending voice messages. Follow the steps to create a WhatsApp group. 1. Tap the Chat Option tab in the bottom menu bar. 2. Tap New Group in the top right. Allow WhatsApp to access your contacts. 3. If you allow WhatsApp to access your contacts, you will be able to see which of your contacts are already on WhatsApp and which ones you can invite to join. 4. Tap the empty circle next to the names of the people you would like to add to the group. 5. Once you've added everyone to the group, tap Next. 6. Name your group, then tap Create. 7. You can now add a picture and customize your group in other ways if you wish to do so. 8. Tap the check mark to finish setting up your group. That's quick and easy. With this, we have come to the end of this class. See you in the next class.